It felt a little bit hotter than I would have thought it was meant.
I know. Earlier this morning, we had a little sunshine. Yesterday, we got into the low 80s. Today, it's more like mid 70s. I hope you enjoyed it because it's going to be much colder this week, Don.
I knew there was something coming.
Much colder this week. We're talking about a freeze warning. The National Weather Service issuing that for a lot of locations. But let's talk about tonight first because there is going to be the chance for some showers and storms. Right now, over West Knoxville, we've got mainly cloudy skies. Temp readings this afternoon sitting in the low 70s, still in a few spots. 73 in Athens, 69 in Knoxville, 60 right now in Oneida. Storm Tracker 6 is showing some spotty rain showers moving in. Our lightning counter still at 0. You can see the brunt of that rain more over the plateau. And if we expand the picture a little bit, there is still some moisture back to our west that's going to push through. Couple isolated thunderstorms will be possible. The Storm Prediction Center has placed us under a level 1 out of 5 risk for severe weather tonight as this front moves through. Right now, it does look like that severe weather risk is going to stay on the low end. You can see it's basically for Knoxville and points to north and east. The reason they issued this is because we have at least a little bit of energy and temperature readings are still warm enough that we could see a couple thunderstorms develop. But overall, I do think that severe weather risk tonight is pretty minimal as we started to see some more clouds move in. Our biggest concerns would be some locally heavy rainfall and gusty winds. Just make sure you're staying up to date on the forecast tonight as that front moves through. I'd say within the next about 4 hours or so is our best time frame to see some rain. Timeline rainfall totals right now continue to show about 1/10 of an inch to up to an inch in spots through early tomorrow morning. Looks like the best opportunity for some heavy rain is going to be over the Smokies. Looking ahead towards tomorrow, the second half of your day, that's when we're going to see some sunshine. But overnight, because we hold on to clouds, it's still pretty mild. 53 in Knoxville, 51 tonight in Gatlinburg, and 52 there in Newport. More rays of sunshine tomorrow if you're headed to the Smokies, but it's much cooler. We're at about 63 degrees for your Monday afternoon at Anakeesta, and that is going to be nothing compared to what we're going to see for the middle of this week. Again, the National Weather Service issuing a freeze warning that goes into effect late Monday night into early Tuesday for all the counties shaded in purple. This means a widespread freeze is likely as temperature readings tumble into the 20s and 30s. 30 in Tellico Plains, 25 tonight in Jamestown, and then 28 in Gatlinburg early Tuesday morning. So some big time cold is going to be moving into East Tennessee just in time for the middle of the week. Tonight, though, we'll drop down to 53 degrees, still tracking that chance for some spotty showers and storms. 64 is your forecast high tomorrow. It does look like we're going to see some more sunshine for the second half of the day, but check out the 7-day forecast. We'll be well below average as we look ahead towards the middle of the week. Highs in the 50s. Tuesday and Wednesday, 51 may even be generous, Don.
Well, at least it is fall.
Yes.
All right. Thank you very much, Victoria. Thank you very much for watching. Much more